Here's how to print directly from an iPhone. I'm going to explain how to add the printer first and how to find it on your iPhone when you want to print a web page, email, or photo straight from your phone. For example, I'm printing a web page. In the Safari browser, tap on More on the web page, or use the Share option if you're using the bottom or top layout. To print an email, tap the Share button in the email preview panel. On the Share sheet, scroll down or tap on More. Look for the print option and tap on it. Then, select your printer from the list on your Wi-Fi network. To see it here, your iPhone and printer got to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If it's a new printer or it hasn't been set up yet, you'll need to do a one-time setup to add the printer to your local Wi-Fi network. Use the printer's official app to set it up on your home or office network, or manually add the printer to Wi-Fi from the printer's control panel. If everything looks good, your printer is ready to print. Now, set the print options, like the number of copies, color or black and white printing, double-sided, or paper size. Finally, tap Print at the top to start printing. For email, tap on the Share icon at last in the email preview in the Mail app. And for photos, tap on the Share button and see the print option. For setup and connecting the printer to your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, check out my separate tutorial linked in the video description. If you've got any questions, drop a comment below. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to get new tips and tricks.